One of these 4 cats is not real. One image was generated using artificial intelligence. Can you spot the fake cat? Look closely at each one. Answer will be revealed at the end. Like and subscribe. Number 1, Jules. Number 2, Trouble. Number 3, Frisky. Number 4, Pepper. Let's now reveal the fake cat. Which one did you choose? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe now for more fun games like this one. Believe it or not, cat number 4, Pepper, is not real and was generated using only artificial intelligence. Did you get it right? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for playing. Like and subscribe.